One guy who just didn't know what he wanted. One girl that was into him from the start, and he never noticed, but guess she never showed it. A couple films later and they really happened, but a hero never saves them all without the damage. So he shows up at the end with only a note in his right hand. Yeah, you're not gonna know my name, and nothing ever stays the same, but you still wear that necklace. So I'm not gonna rest till you're about to know my name. But why do we have to change? I feel like I just mess up everything, but that you wear the necklace, I feel like that connects us. So I just keep on fighting. Yeah, I'll fight for you. And you're a black dahlia, I'll fight for you. And you're a black dahlia, I'll fight